Yo, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I did not think that was gonna happen. All right, part 3 of Rick's build. We're finally nearing the finish line. As you can see, we have the motor hanging. I went ahead and cleaned, looks like I need to clean a little bit more, but I cleaned most of the coolant out of there, got all the bolts and trash that was in the bottom of the hole out of there. Tibby over here working on his ski. He's got some leaking issues. Why are you leaking, Tibby? Too much power. Hey, that's a problem. So I'm pretty sure I got my mama coming by. She's gotta pick up some stuff here at the shop. So I'm just gonna get into it, man. Throw this engine inside. And hopefully we can test today. So we got it in there, caught all 3 mounts. That's what I like to do first, is catch all the mounts. That way I don't have to find the motor if it's moving or something. So now we're gonna connect all our water lines, coolant, hoses, manifold. We're gonna connect everything to this thing and hopefully we can get some fire out of it. All right, so I pretty much got everything bolted down onto the ski. Everything's connected, all the coolant lines, all the water lines, the exhaust, the intake, everything is on there except for the coil packs and the spark plugs. And then I also removed the fuel pump fuse. I do that just to prime the motor over, just so I could hear the oil go through everything and everything start having pressure. So once I do that, I go ahead, drop the plugs in, and we see if this thing has some fire. I'm scared. It runs again. Oh well. Your brake is on, that's why. Maybe if you take the brakes off. I know, I'm just kidding. I love how we just are standing here watching. Junior, what do you think's going on here, Junior?
You guys like that sound?
Alright, so this thing has fired up a few times and it sounds fine. So we're gonna make a quick trip to the water. I'm gonna dump it in, make sure there's no leaks, make sure it idles good, under load. You know, just kind of check it over before I take it out on its maiden voyage to oh! Yo, so I'm gonna show you how cluttered my mind is, right? So I was thirsty just now. I wanted a drink. I've had this in my hand the whole time. That's how crazy my mind is. My wife said that my pee is too yellow. I'm not like R. Kellying her or anything. It's just,
look at this. Somebody come look at this.
just, you know, we live together. She says I need to drink more water. So I'm drinking more water, babe. So we gotta follow Tibby to the warehouse so that these guys could grab their trailer, and then we'll see what this chain breaker does. It's hot. Yo, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button by now, I'm gonna find out and I'm gonna block you. Better hit that subscribe button. Yo, what do we got here? Oh, yeah, what do we got here? Look at all this food. Look at all this amazing food in here. What that is? Oh, nice, bro. I was gonna ask you for that too. Yo, what's your company called, Tibby? HAVAMEX. Look them up. HAVAMEX. You're a distributor for?
Pretty much anything, any supermarket, restaurant, whatever you need, we have it.
There you go.
Any drinks, whatever, all those good stuff.
You taking some? What? Are you taking some? Hold on, hold on. I'm not gonna help him with the trailer either. Let's go. Yo, this is a good stuff. Yo, you got Jupiña, Mateba. Damn, where's the iron beer at? Oh, there it is. Yo, this is awesome, Tibby.
Why do you think I always send them for water bottles and shit in times of like hurricanes and shit like that?
Yo, I know exactly where to get my hurricane supplies now.
What's your keeping food?
Yeah. This is your trailer, Travis? Yours? What are we getting the trailer for? Ah. Why? Because Martha's on yours? Ah.
Gotta get it done.
Bro, what is this, bro?
Savant shirt, actually, I stole it from him. You hook it to the tag lights. Hook it to the tag light wire.
Makes sense.
Go, bro.
That makes science.
And turn it too tight, the chain's gonna tighten.
Stupid.
Yo, this ski is so brand new. This is like, this was cleaner than the Blackbird when I had it. That's how clean this ski is.
Well, this ski was always clean. The
Yeah.
Blackbird you had to bring it back.
Yeah, that Blackbird was a piece of junk. We out? We out or we out? Bro, I don't care, bro. What's up? Ven pa' acá. Ven pa' acá. Yo, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I did not think that was gonna happen. Yo, I cannot wait to see that on the video, bro. That's gonna be great.
Teddy was like,
All right, it's hot, man. I'm getting the air. Woo, feels good in here. Man, Angel's right though. We're getting too old for that. So we're back at Oasis. I guess this is our new favorite ramp since the locks are closed. So not really a fan of this ramp, but whatever. See if this thing got any leaks after he aligned the engine. Alright, looks good. It looks like it's not really leaking from the carbon seal anymore, so hopefully that alignment did the trick. So, sounds pretty good, right? You want to back me up real quick? And I'll hop in.
I'll try it. See, I can't do it with a single on mine.
Oh, damn, alright. Oh, let's see, that way we don't have to hop on and off twice. Talking, man, he's doing fine. This guy tripping. Sounds good to me. Sounds good. We out. All right, so as you guys saw, the initial, I guess, water test went fine. The ski idled fine, it revved up fine. There was no leaks, no check engine lights, nothing funny. So I'm just checking all the fluids, topping off the coolant, topping off the oil level, just checking all my connections, making sure everything is good before we take it out onto the water tomorrow. So right now what I'm in the middle of is attaching the seat back. It uses several brackets, so it's kind of a pain in the butt to do. So I'm waiting to do that right now. And just like I said, just looking over stuff, making sure everything is solid before I take it out to the water tomorrow and, you know, put it through its paces. So let's see how long it takes me to get this seat put on. That's all she wrote. I'm gonna get the heck out of here today. I'm pretty over it. So head home, play some Call of Duty. See me on the box.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.